digital twins can enable sustainable energy. Digital twins are virtual copies of real physical assets like solar panels, wind turbines, batteries. They use data from sensors on the real assets to create a digital model. Digital twins are virtual copies of real products like solar panel. Engineers use them to see how designs perform in the real world. This allows testing products virtually to improve quality and lower costs. Overall, digital twins help engineers build better products faster. This digital model can then be used to 1. Optimize the design of renewable assets like solar panels to maximize power generation. Engineers can test different panel shapes and materials virtually. 2. Monitor the real-time performance of wind farms and quickly detect any faults or drops in efficiency. Operators get alerts to fix issues before they worsen. 3. Plan the best locations for solar and wind farms based on weather data and terrain conditions modeled in the digital twin. 4. Test different battery storage sizes and strategies virtually to find the optimal setup before building it in real life. This ensures maximum usage of renewable power. 5. Simulate the impact of adding new renewable sources to the electric grid. This helps balance and integrate green power into the system without disrupting supply. 6. Train staff on maintenance and repair of complex assets like turbines using virtual simulations, without any risk. So in simple terms, digital twins create living models of real renewable energy systems to optimize, monitor and test them virtually. This makes green power cheaper, more efficient and easier to integrate than ever before. Key benefits of using digital twins for sustainable energy. 1. Better solar and wind power design. Engineers can test different panel and turbine designs virtually to lower costs and maximize green power generation. 2. Real-time problem detection. Digital twins alert operators the moment any solar panel or wind turbine starts underperforming so issues can be fixed quickly. 3. Predict when maintenance is needed by monitoring performance. The digital twin model can forecast when a part may fail so maintenance can be scheduled before any failure. 4. Integrate renewable power into grid smoothly. Digital twins help simulate adding solar and wind power to the grid to maintain reliable electric supply. 5. Lower costs. Tweaking renewable asset designs virtually lowers trial and error costs. Predictive maintenance reduces expensive unplanned downtime. 6. Extend equipment life with proactive maintenance guided by the digital twin. Assets like turbines and batteries last longer. 7. Safer training for workers. Staff can be trained to service and maintain complex renewable systems virtually using digital twins. In summary, digital twins make it faster, easier and cheaper to design, integrate, maintain, and optimize renewable energy systems. This helps maximize clean power production and stability of green energy supplied to the grid. Arasis is an Indian cleantech startup that provides energy analytics and a platform called Preksha to create digital twins of clean energy assets. Digital twins create virtual models of renewable assets like solar panels and wind turbines. They use real-time data to optimize, monitor and simulate these systems. This maximizes efficiency, minimizes costs and integrates green power smoothly. Overall, digital twins accelerate the transition to affordable, reliable clean energy.